Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the 100 mode on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14s. So open settings, and then within the settings, select additional settings, and then find the 100 mode and select it. And then if you want to enable 100 mode, all you have to do is simply tap on the toggle switch icon next to it, and you have enabled 100 mode. Now, to use the 100 mode, all you have to do is simply swipe from the home screen button to the recent app buttons, and that will enable 100 mode. So simply swipe on the buttons, and you can see the 100 mode has been enabled. So you can use your device to suit your needs when it's 100 mode. If you'd like to exit, simply tap on the empty space at the top, and that will exit 100 mode. Or alternatively, you can simply swipe up on the application. You can simply swipe up from the application, and that will exit 100 mode. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.